So, in regard to the situation worsening, how does that go into the next question that I'll ask you is, many people talk about the starved brain. What does that actually mean, and how does it sort of present?
Yeah. There's been a lot of advancements over the last 30 odd years in both science and technology, and we've learned a lot more about eating disorders than ever before. And the biology and the genetics of eating disorders. And for example, we now know really it's not just a physical illness, it's not just a psychological illness, but it's a physiological illness. There's been studies done in Australia using MRI scans of people with anorexia looking in the mirror and healthy controls looking in the mirror. And it's shown that parts of the brain of the person with anorexia don't light up. And what they've discovered is that the synapses in the brain, and I'm very layman's terms here, are covered in healthy fat, and so when you lose weight, you lose those connections.
Right.
And so you're literally not thinking straight.
So your brain's not sort of firing.
That's right. So which is really helpful for parents to understand these behaviors aren't based on them being bad. This is anorexia tricking them both because their brain's not functioning well, and because with that, the eating disorder voice has a stronger, can get in more strongly because their brains aren't working well. So, and that's why we really try and get adolescents into treatment. Treating early has a better recovery rate, but also parents are our best resource. They're the best ones to turn this around, and they can be empathetic but firm and say non-negotiable about treatment, whereas in adults it's a lot harder to treat, as you can imagine, because they have that starved brain and they can't see that they need help.
Right.
So in adolescents, parents can make it happen.
Right.